crazy videos. So the last couple days it's hard.
Woo! That's right, I don't have very much vlog. Jeez, okay, so I went and played disc golf today over at Walnut Creek, this park. I'll put the name of it in the annotation. And it was okay. It's a tiny little municipal park in the middle of Walnut Creek, and it kind of zigzags back and forth. I mean, it's short, but there's trees, and I mean, hell, I had a 6. It was like I got so screwed up in it. And so it plays long, but it's short and plays really quickly. You can play it. I played it by myself in about probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe 20. Some of the issues is there's ground squirrel holes, like twist your ankle, fall into a hole, and the zigzag acts like a 1, 2 to the corner, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kind of goes back and forth. And so there was people there, and all of a sudden it was like we were all walking around in each other's, on each other's approach shots and things like that. So I think if it gets crowded on a sunny day, it's going to be like, But for beginners, it's good. If you're learning, it's a good place to go. Bathrooms are right there. Parking, I mean, it's convenient, but it's just, I don't know. Also, it's right next to there's like children's park, playground, and so it didn't happen too much, but there's like, actually they could have moved a couple of the tee boxes to the other side of the bike path so that, you had this path, and if you just put the pad on the other side of the path, the bicycles would go behind you instead of going in front of you while you're trying to drive or whatever. So that was kind of like, why are they here? Why aren't they there? I know it would make it shorter, but you wouldn't have people riding bikes and walking dogs and running, jogging by. So there's only 2 of them. Well, actually, I guess there's 3 where that comes into effect, where there's a path in between that cuts across the drive, the fairway. But other than that, cool. I hope, if anything, I kind of think that it might, show Walnut Creek. It's like, hey, why don't you get a real course, or a big one, put it out somewhere, by Mount Diablo or something on the lower flanks of that. I mean, it's just little. It's a bit little.